Almas, the expensive man, Diamond. He's the one who's gonna guide us. So yeah, we're sailing now. It's our first time. So good luck to us. That's our sail. Yeah, too high. So clear. It's really nice. The wind is fantastic. So you're the one who's driving, huh? Nice waves! Yeah! Bring it on, man! Woohoo! Yeah! It's kind of windy. Time, yeah.
So next time you can in the GoPro.
Yeah, next time I'm gonna do that. It's easier.
Yeah.
So I can use two of my hands.
Yeah. It's more nice.
Exactly.
So you can put the mount.
Exactly. I can explore everything.
Yeah.
Easy.
Yeah.
How are you doing?
Good.
You okay?
Yeah.
Love you. I said I love you.
Love you.
Come on.
Oh, it's his birthday, by the way.
Oh really? Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, man. Yeah, thank you. He just greeted me, man. How cool is that? Alright, I'm gonna pause this for a while because I'm not enjoying it. I'm only using one of my hands. Yeah, I got more hands. See you later. Yeah, we're almost there. That's Kurumba. Kurumba Island. That's where we are staying.
Find like 10,
Yeah, they're having a chat.
10,020. Yeah. Because you know, if you are taking sand but build the house and this thing.
Oh, there's a balloon. Look, it's so green, it's so clear. Wow.